we are making beef cheek ragu. It's a recipe from my friend John Katzikas, and I'm really so excited to prepare that today. So here we have 2 beef cheeks. I will tell you what to do with this to prepare them in a minute. We have 2 onions, 2 carrots, 2 celery sticks already chopped here. I've got 1 tablespoon of ginger, grated ginger, 3 cloves of garlic already chopped, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of sage. We have pepper and salt, of course. And then I have half a liter of beef stock, and we're gonna have half a liter of red wine as well. So this is our 2 beef cheeks here, and what we have to do before we start cooking is to take off this skin here. We call it silver skin, and there's quite a bit of fat to take off because this muscle of the cow is used all day long. They keep chewing and chewing all day, so it's a tough muscle, and that's why we need to cook it slow and quite a long time, maybe for about 4 hours, to make it nice and tender and very tasty. Our beef cheeks are ready. We took away all of this silver skin here, so we just throw this out, and we are left with nice little cubes. But as you can see, they still have quite a bit of fat in them. If you try to take everything out, you'll have no meat left. So we have to sort of leave some, and it's gonna be part of the flavor. So we're gonna season these and then sear them in the pan, and then make the rest of our ragu with it. So let's put some salt. That's the very important part, and I like to have quite a bit of salt here. I'm putting like 1 tablespoon of salt, some pepper, cracked pepper, and we're gonna just rub that into the meat. So salt and pepper. I'm gonna put the sage all in here as well, and also the cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, just because I like it. Now we're gonna add some of this spice here. It's a gourmet barbecue rub, and it's got all sorts of nice herbs and spices in there, and I thought that'd be really nice to add that in as well. So here we have all those nice seasoning here, and I'm gonna just massage and rub it in and make sure that it's all on the meat, not leaving anything there. So we're gonna just rub it into the meat and go and start cooking. Let's go. All right, we're gonna sear our meat first. So I'm putting some oil here in the pot. I'm using grapeseed oil for cooking. That's the one I like. And then we'll add our beef cheeks now, and just to a little bit at a time. I just want to sear them, and then we'll take them aside and put them back after we make our ragu sauce. All right, our beef is all ready here. Just put it aside for a few minutes, and we'll start cooking our sauce. So I'm gonna add the vegetable here to the pot. We have celery, onion, and carrots here. Adding the garlic, 3 cloves of garlic, some ginger, some salt, pepper, two bay leaves, some wine, lots of wine, 500 mils, so nearly 3/4 of the bottle here. More. That'll be it. And I have 500 mils of beef stock as well. We'll get this to simmer a little bit, 10-15 minutes, and then we'll add our beef cheeks and send it into the oven. We're gonna start to add on our meat. Back to the pot here. So it's gonna stay into the oven for about 4 hours. I'm starting at 150, 300 Fahrenheit, and then after about half an hour, I will lower down to 125. That's 250 Fahrenheit for 4 hours. Our ragu is ready. It's been cooking for 4 hours. It smells amazing. And I've got here a nice puree of potato, sweet potato and cauliflower, and I'm just gonna serve this with the beef ragu. So let's just add some on here. Oh, it's nice and rich and thick. Oh, look at this. So we'll add 2 nice pieces here and a little bit extra sauce like that. Et voila. What an amazing meal. Wow, we're gonna try now and see. Oh, it's nice and tender and it just beautiful. Bit of potato, let's try. It melts. Oh, it's beautiful. Very happy with this. Bon appétit!